Run until failure. Let's see, damn, 200. Hey, you. What are you doing? What are you doing? I swear, it's always a problem. Let's see. I'm trying to see at what wattage it cuts out at. So we're pulling 180, 227. It's got 304. This thing must have hit a different phase. But this is only, I think, a 200 watt. So I don't think. Yeah, I need a bigger one. I gotta build my own. But if you don't test things out, how you gonna find out? Rozzy Grows is over here testing things out. Or I might blow a fuse. Let's see what happens. At the Jackery Power Outdoors, going into the test. Alright. So I got it charged in. It's charging at 61 watts. And it's drawing out 315 watt. 330. Alright, shut off. Boom. So it pulled 330 watts until failure. So that means I need more wattage to be able to power all these little crypto mining rigs. I tried, guys. I failed. But the thing with me is, I'm gonna do some research. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna keep upgrading things, and I'm gonna keep going, you know? But for the meantime, we're gonna plug it into the regular outlet. It didn't work. Alright, let's go. We back up and running. This little puppy, I'll just put here to charge. It's good enough for the skateboard. So we're charging at 61 watts, coming out from the wall. Let's go. Like and subscribe, stay tuned for more. If I wasn't trying, I'd be lying.